Okay, I just thought, what the heck, you know, a lot of times you can really tell how things are going to go by that first bale. And this is my very first bale of the year right here. And it's good. You know, I'm very happy with that. And I'm only 5 minutes into it. And this is what the baler looks like when it's opened up. All right. So you can see this arm right here that's in the middle between the belts and the tires. That's the arm that kicks it out. So you have to be very careful with this baler. If something gets stuck in there and you get in there and you hit that trip, you're going for a ride that way, and it might not be good. So I don't get in there. I just don't get in there. If something gets stuck in there, I'm just doing everything I can to get it out without doing that. But that right there is a nice grass bale. It's 1,000 or 12 or something like that. I've not, you know, you should actually, if you were going to sell them, you would weigh it and then you would put your price on there according to how heavy the bale is. This baler, believe it or not, will make a 2,000-pound bale according to the handbook. It will. So if you were baling lead core grass, you'd get a very heavy bale. Or I'm not sure if they're saying you can wet bale with it or not, but you would need a much bigger tractor than mine. You'd have to have a lot more horsepower to turn it than mine. It's supposed to have an 80 horsepower tractor to turn this, according to the book. Mine's 45. So it works pretty good. All right. Now, I will just be closing it down and then running with this until this entire field is baled up, and then I move down to the next bale. I'm to the next field. It's probably 85, 90 degrees out. It's pretty hot. There's a little bit of a cooling air, which is really nice. And I do have water with me. I forgot to tell you, in that compartment there was 2-gallon jugs of water. A friend of mine brought me up to speed on this a long time ago. Says when you're doing this, you've got to have some way of putting out a fire if you start one. And I actually did catch this baler on fire a few years ago. I had a bearing that heated up, and all it needed was grease. I greased the bearing and it's been fine. But I didn't have any water with me, so it was kind of scary. The belts didn't catch fire, and I was really fortunate that I didn't. So from now on, I carry water with me, and I would recommend doing that in all of these things that you do. Because fire can always happen. You could catch fire. You could get some grease or oil on you that could catch fire, or some fuel, something like that. And when you're out there in the middle of a field by yourself, at least if you have some water, you know, you could put it out, you know. But safety first in all these things. All right, we'll talk to you tonight.